again, everybody. The videos have been a little sparse lately, I know, but got a really short one today. She's gonna this is the second half of framing Elizabeth. She gets it finished and on the wall, but didn't really get it edited in a timely fashion. So this is from last week, but she does give you a little update on where she's at on her whips and stuff, and a little clip from this weekend too, because we're always like a day late and $1 short and a week behind, and I don't know, whatever. But I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, see you soon. Hopefully, she's gotta get her act together.
Well, hello again, everybody. It is now Friday, February 5th, and in the duration from the last clip, and now I have fixed up the frame. So the edge of this frame was all chipped in really bad shape. That gold leafing had come off, broken off. So what I did was I used a carpet knife, scored along it as best I could, and chipped off the remaining loose parts. And then I just edged around it with black paint, and you can see it doesn't look fantastic, but from a distance it's fine. So I touched it up by just painting that outside edge black, and then there were a few chips on the actual like rope molding of the frame as well. So I thought I'd show you how I fixed that. And again, it doesn't look great, but from a distance, I don't think you would really notice it. So what I did, because where it had chipped off, it was just like the white plaster showing. Let me actually scrape that back off and see if I can show you. Well, no, I guess not. So what I did was I just took a little blob of black paint, painted over the chip, and then a little gold over the black. Now, because I just rubbed that, I pretty much just rubbed all the gold paint off because it wasn't totally dry. So pretend, actually I'll do it on a spot where it's not chipped yet. I'll pretend. Okay. So let's pretend that there's a chip. Well, let's just redo this one. Okay, so if I hadn't already done this, I just put a little tiny bit black paint on there, and we'll redo this one too. Just a little tiny bit on there. Fill it in. All right, and then I just used my finger because, you know, I just rubbed it in, get the excess off. Okay. And then I just turned around and put a little gold, and this is Deco Art metallic gold paint. And so then, where am I? I'm all over the place. And then I just kind of dab the gold on, and dab the gold on, and then just kind of tapped it a little bit to get the excess off so it wasn't such an obvious blob. And then, so it doesn't stand out like a sore thumb anymore. Copper might have worked. Copper color, I could play with that a little bit, but that's what I did to fill in those chips on the frame. And yeah, I did notice that I've got underneath the glass a few little shavings, so I don't know if I'm going to pull that all apart to fix that, but she's ready to go on the wall. All right, let's see what she looks like on the wall if I can figure out where she's going. Okay, I'm sweating like a banshee, provided they sweat a lot, but I got her on the wall. I had to rearrange all of that. I didn't have a ladder high enough. I took my life into my own hands by standing on top of these cubbies. Don't do that at home. Anyway, Elizabeth's up on the wall. I've got centered, and then those, I thought those all kind of look good together. And then I've got these, which coordinate, and my punch needle, my little chalkboard where I can actually reach it. I've got cherry blossoms and space for one more. There's always that space. But you can see, other than that, I kind of have a themed color going on over here. But yeah, so that's up. And I've been cranking this thing out. Here's where we're at now. That has the right colors for over here, but it's not really mermaidy. I don't know what happens when you get a peacock wet, but it's probably not good. So yeah, but then again, does a witch really belong up there? I'm just running out of room. That's all there is to it. I do have some room here. Peacock could go there, but yeah. So got her done. And I still got more frames in the closet to keep going. But yeah, I want to just sit still under a fan now because I'm sweaty. I love Elizabeth. Very pretty. And yeah, I think I want to go work on this some more. Oh, and new recommendation for podcast. Something Was Wrong. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Been binging on that for the last couple of days. Absolutely loving that one. Okay, I'm just rambling now. Delirium has set in. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys. Love you. Well, hello. It is now Friday, February 12th, and just kind of hanging out. Welcome to the retreat. Here's my view from sitting in bed. But yeah, from back here, Elizabeth looks just fine. Just fine. And this stuff is haunting me. I need to keep going, get those frames out of the closet. Anyway, just a real quick little add-on. Here's how far I've gotten on the peacock. We're getting there. Can't wait to finish this. I really, really, really want to start that beaded cross stitch. I'm looking forward to it, but you know, got way too many things already started. So that's it for right now. I'm trying to decide what I want to do for another video to record on my day off. But you know, duty calls. I need to finish my laundry and, you know, do some cleaning and stuff. I do still have my Michael's gift card from the kids for Christmas to spend, but I don't know. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Maybe I'll take Jasmine for a walk. Maybe I'll brush her. I don't know. But I just wanted to check in because it's been a while. And I don't know why I keep panning the room. I guess I'm just loving the sun beaming in this early afternoon and wanted to share a little happiness with everybody. So anyway, that's it for now. Maybe I'll get something else put together for later on in the weekend. But Hope you're all going to have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. You're staying sane, happy and healthy. And, oh, update. Dad has been released. Brian's father has been released from the hospital and moved into a nursing home so that he can have the care that he needs, because he's still having trouble breathing and stuff. I'm not sure if he's still on oxygen, but looks like Dad is on the road to recovery. So thank you all so much for your kind thoughts, prayers, and well wishes on that. It's looking much better than it was when we found out originally. So, okay. Again, bye.
Well, I hope that gives you, some information maybe you didn't have before about how to fix, chipped up and dinged up and damaged frames that you might pick up at a secondhand store, because, it's a whole lot cheaper than paying for custom framing. Yeah. Doesn't matter what the picture inside looks like. You can fix just about anything. So, anyway, don't know what's coming next. She's got all kinds of stuff, so hopefully something soon. She's sitting over there right now trying to decide what to do next. Should get on that pill bottle project. I bet you're all wondering or forgot what that was all about. But, alright. See you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye!